Beautiful cherry blossoms only in my backyard. Ayan. The beautiful attraction. It's raining right now and it's cold, but I would like to share their beautiful blooms, my cherry blossoms. Here in Alberta, Canada, I don't need to go to Japan to see cherry blossoms kasi meron akong tatlong puno dito, but the other one is not doing good their blooms. Maybe next year. And this other one here, not much for their blooms. Ayan, it's beautiful also. Okay, ayan, ang taas. Not very good. Ayan, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Love, Nansky. Sending hugs to all of you wherever you are. Take care and be safe as always. Ayan.